Hello guys, what's up? Hope so you all are fine. So without wasting your and mine precious time, let's get started.
Hello guys, in today's video I am gonna tell you about the best health apps for Apple Watch, so let's begin. Are you having trouble remembering to drink enough water? Introducing the Drink Water Reminder and Tracker app, your ultimate hydration companion. This app makes staying hydrated effortless. You can easily set your daily water intake goals, and it will send you friendly reminders throughout the day. No more guessing if you've had enough. With a simple and intuitive design, logging your water intake is just a tap away. Track your progress and watch as your hydration habits improve over time. But that's not all. You can customize your hydration plan to fit your lifestyle, whether you're at work, exercising, or just chilling at home. And for that extra motivation, enjoy fun challenges and inspiring quotes to keep you on track. So why wait? Download the Drink Water Reminder and Tracker app today, and let's make hydration a priority together. App download link is given in description box for your convenience. Now we are heading towards the second app of the list. Hey, runners! Looking to take your fitness journey to the next level? Meet MapMyRun, the app designed to track your runs and help you achieve your goals. With MapMyRun, you can easily log your workouts, track your route, and monitor your distance and pace, all in real time. Whether you're a seasoned marathoner or just starting out, this app adapts to your level. Need some extra motivation? Join challenges, share your progress with friends, and explore routes in your area. You'll never run alone with a community cheering you on. Plus, the app offers insights into your performance, helping you identify areas for improvement. Want to set a new personal record? MapMyRun's got you covered. So lace up those sneakers and download MapMyRun today. Let's hit the pavement and make every run count. App download link is given in description box for your convenience. Now we are heading towards the third app of the list. Ready to elevate your running game? Meet the Nike Run Club app, your ultimate partner in fitness. With Nike Run Club, you'll have access to personalized coaching and guided runs right at your fingertips. Whether you're training for a marathon or just looking to get moving, there's something for everyone. Track your runs, monitor your progress, and celebrate your achievements with friends. The app even offers in-depth audio coaching to keep you motivated every step of the way. And don't miss out on the community features. Join challenges, share your stats, and connect with fellow runners who inspire you to push your limits. So, are you ready to lace up and hit the ground running? Download the Nike Run Club app today, and let's make every mile count together. App download link is given in description box for your convenience. Now we are heading towards the fourth app of the list. Hey, athletes! Ready to track your adventures like never before? Meet Strava, the app that's revolutionizing the way we connect with our fitness journeys. With Strava, you can effortlessly log your runs, rides, and hikes while tracking your distance, pace, and elevation, all in real time. It's perfect for any activity, whether you're on a scenic bike trail or running through the city. What really sets Strava apart is its vibrant community. Share your workouts, compete on segments, and join challenges to stay motivated alongside friends and fellow athletes. Celebrate your achievements together. Plus, with detailed performance analytics, you can monitor your progress and set new goals. It's all about pushing your limits and reaching your personal best. So, ready to take your fitness to the next level? Download Strava today and join a community that inspires you to go further. App download link is given in description box for your convenience. Now we are heading towards the fifth app of the list. Hey there! Want to make every step count? Meet Pedometer Plus, your simple, effective step tracking companion. With Pedometer Plus, you can easily monitor your daily steps, distance, and calories burned, all from your pocket. No need for complicated setups, just open the app and start walking. The intuitive design makes it super easy to track your progress over time. Set daily goals and watch as you crush them. Plus, you'll get insightful stats that help you stay motivated and accountable. But that's not all. Pedometer Plus also lets you challenge friends and share your achievements. Turn your walks into a fun, friendly competition. So, whether you're walking for fitness or just enjoying a stroll, download Pedometer Plus today and step into a healthier lifestyle. App download link is given in description box for your convenience.